also let them stand parallel in the middle. You know, you can really play around. I think the most important thing with Charlie is to get his pelvis sorted.
Yeah.
And there we go. And I hold him, but I've got a fairly loose hold on him. Yes, it's not as if I give him constant, solid contact here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is hard.
Okay, bend this knee a little bit more there, and straighten this one a little bit more. There we go. We've got the same situation again. Bend this more and straighten that one. Good try. Bring your heel down on this one. Not your bottom, your heel. There, nice one. Keep your bottom there.
And it doesn't matter that foot.
But that's actually a stretch. That's a hamstring stretch as well, that, isn't it?
Yes, stretches the flexors, the hip flexors.
So you prefer his foot straight, but that's not going to happen, I guess.
The heel down and the knee straighter, not completely straight. But bend this one here a bit more. There. Bless you. Okay.
Bless you.
And then if you go very asymmetrical with a stance position, then you put your legs on it. That's why I have this bench here.
How
And
do you
then
mean?
what you can ask is, are you right? Are you right?
Yeah, my.
Lean forward and stretch the other back.
Are you right,
back.
Charlie?
Oh,
I don't think so. Are you?
Maybe let's turn it off and just do the
Yeah,
positions.
exactly. Come off.
Right, better, Charlie?
Up. I think it's not enough.
Yeah, yeah.